Hi everybody, I just wanted to take you through week 5 of quarter 1. So before anything, always check inbox for any emails that I may send you, and check announcements. And this is where I will have all of the assignments listed for the week. So this week is going to be a little different since it was such a short week. I only have you guys doing 3 assignments. Sorry, it's taking a minute to load. So you guys are going to be doing 3 assignments. And they're all due by Friday. So you have the push-up test, the components of physical fitness quiz, and a mile run. And all of these are due Friday, so feel free to do them at any point this week. Just make sure that they are submitted by Friday. I just figured I'd give you a little bit of time to catch up for this week. Normally we do daily assignments, but I'll just give you a little extra time. And then if you have any questions, first watch the instructional video, which is this video here, and then you can email me through Canvas or send me a message through chat. Okay, we will not have a Zoom this week. The video should help you out enough. If you do need to Zoom with me, please send me a message through inbox in Canvas and we can set something up. So for week 5, you guys are going to do the 3 assignments. First one is going to be the physical fitness test. So what you're going to do is, after watching the instructional video, you're going to click on the physical fitness test. And you're going to watch the video. And then once you're finished watching the video, you're going to perform the push-up test on your own. So you're going to use the cadence, which is going to give you the same countdown as what you watched on the video. So it'll tell you up, down, up, down. And then next, after you've completed your push-up test, you are going to just write down your score, and then you will submit it in the assignment box. So you're just going to write down whatever your score is. Say you can only do, 20 push-ups, you push 20, and then you hit submit assignment, and you're all good to go for that assignment. And then you'll go back to modules. So that's the push-up test. And then you have the components of physical fitness information, the reading info, and the quiz. So you're going to read through the components of physical fitness. And if the file doesn't come up for whatever reason on your computer, if you click the white title bar, it'll open up in a different link. So anytime that happens, if you can't view it here, click here and it will pop up in a different window. So you're just going to read through all the information here. And then once you're done reading through everything, make sure you're paying careful attention to the info. You're going to go ahead and hit next, and you can take the physical fitness quiz. Remember, you have a 30-minute time limit. So when you click take the quiz, it will start. So make sure that when you do start your quiz, you're in a spot and you have time reserved that you can spend 30 minutes on it. If you hit start and you walk away and come back, 35 minutes later and you haven't answered any questions, it'll probably just submit it as a 0 because it automatically ends in 30 minutes. So that is the physical fitness quiz. And then the last assignment is just going to be your mile run. I'll take you over there. Sorry, my computer's moving a little slow tonight. Okay, so the mile run, it's going to be either indoor mile, outdoor mile, or if you don't want to do either of those, you can do the indoor Metaconda workout. So these are your instructions here. So just make sure that you are completing the information here. And all you have to do to submit this assignment is you click submit assignment, and then you're just going to either give me the screenshot of your run from your phone, or you're going to take a picture of your treadmill dashboard, or you're going to submit a video of Metaconda. If for some reason the Metaconda video is having trouble uploading, if the file is too big, go ahead and just write in the text entry box. You can write, I emailed the workout, and then just let me know that the file is too big. You just hit submit assignment, and then normally I'll look into, if it's the file, the video, I'll look in my inbox to see if you sent me something. If it's a photo, it should submit right away, so that shouldn't be a problem. The only things that I noticed are having trouble submitting our videos. And those are your activities for this week. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me right here in Canvas, send me a message through chat. If you need to meet to Zoom with me, please send me a message. I email you guys weekly. I've set up a Sign Up Genius if you do want to meet for office hours. But please let me know if I can help you guys out, okay? Thank you. Have a good day.